This video is for a Millermatic 215. I've had this welder since probably June of 2017. I've got to pull the trigger on it probably about an hour, maybe 2 hours total. And the rest of the time it's been in the shop. And every time I have it in the shop, they say it's fixed, I get it back, it doesn't work. It'll weld on the bench, but when I bought the welder to weld on cars, and every time I try to weld on a car, basically I get a short in the trigger error message, and it won't arc. This is showing the welder. This is showing the metal I'm welding. I need to do an exhaust bracket. You can see the ground is on a bare piece of metal. I mean, it can't get any simpler than that. You'll notice when I get my assistant to hold the camera, when I go to pull the trigger, when I've got it in place, I'll get her to show it won't arc, and then I'll get her to show the error message on the screen. The raw metal grounded, and we'll go ahead and pull the trigger. You can't ground it any better, and nothing will happen. That's the error message we get every single time. Now, just to prove that the Miller won't work, the 215 doesn't work, I've got my 350p out. I've even hooked the ground up on the back of a bolt that's not even close to where I'm welding. And you'll see it'll weld just perfectly. So again, Miller will tell me I'm not grounding it properly, or they'll make all kinds of excuses in the world, and they won't fix their product. Again, this 215 I've had since July. And I want to thank Robert's Oxygen, because their reps, David there especially, has been awesome. I mean, he's been here twice. They don't make me bring the machine in anymore after the first time, and they're really trying. But Miller, for whatever reason, this is what you get. You overpay for a welder. I mean, might as well buy a Hobart, which is probably Miller anyway, or get the cheapest one you can, because, I mean, basically what they're proving to me is it's a throwaway machine. You use it an hour or two, it doesn't work, then, I mean, they have no interest in helping you with it. They just want to replace a board or do something and just tell you it's your problem, or these machines don't have problems. So again, this is just a video to show you exactly what that we can weld, that the metal is perfectly good. It's brand new virgin metal welding onto a chassis to hold a muffler up. It's a simple weld, and here we go.